Want to create an emo avatar and let your close ones and your friends recognize you easily? We're here to help you. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an emo avatar. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates and videos. So let's get started. To create an emo avatar, first of all, you need to have an emo app which you can easily get through Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I already do have an app on my phone. I'm going to tap on emo app to open it first. After tapping on the emo app, you can see I am already on the profile page, but if you want to get to the profile page, you can tap on the profile icon on the left side of username. After tapping on it, you can see an option of one more profile icon just above my username. Tap on the profile icon. Now you can see an option of a camera on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the camera option. Now you have an option of emo avatar, take a photo and choose from album as well. You can simply choose emo avatar to create an avatar of your own. As your preferred name and as my nickname that goes as Kokila Modi, I'm going to choose one of the suitable emo icon for me. And I guess the one girl with the loud eyes and the earrings is perfectly going to suit the username. So after choosing your emo avatar, if you are completely fine with it, you can tap on the tick option which is present on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping it, if you really want to share it on your story, even you can share it. So tap on the share option if you really want to share it, or cancel it. If you want to cancel it, I'm going to cancel, so tap on the cancel option. Finally people, my avatar has been updated. That is going to be very useful for me. Okay, this much for today. So I hope this video was really helpful, and not to worry about any of the problems related to web and tech. You can simply visit our channel and get more help easily. I hope to see you again on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.